by the clerk of the Senate to make further announcements. If I can have your attention. If I can have your attention. Senator Bisagba, see me immediately after this. I've seen you seize. Leader of the Senate, presenting Bisagba before the Senate President immediately after this. So, I said, distinguished colleagues, I'm trying to get your attention. Senator Wadada, take your seat. This is a very important announcement, and I wanted to get your attention before I proceed. Senator Ningi, tell Senator Abamoro that this is a very important announcement and that he needs to take cognizance of this announcement. Distinguished Senator Abamoro, this concerns you and all of us. This announcement is from one of us. It says, Distinguished Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, GCON. Letter of resignation from the People's Democratic Party. You see how important the letter is? I wish to formally convey my decision to resign my membership of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, with effect from 31st day of October 2025. This decision, though deeply considered, was not made lightly. Stop all sharing. You are distracting the Senate. This is a very important announcement that affects the future of this country. Over the years, I have remained steadfast in my commitment to the ideals of democracy, good governance, and service to the people, which the PDP then stood for. However, evolving political realities within our nation and my constituency have necessitated a re-evaluation of the platform called PDP. And the best platform suited for me to advance my aspiration of taking care of my people and their welfare. After wide consultations with stakeholders, supporters, and well-meaning Nigerians, I have resolved to align myself with the only party that is not only progressive, but has hope for the common man in this country. A platform whose current direction and leadership provide renewed hope, inclusiveness, stability, and sustainable development. My decision is guided solely by the desire to serve my constituents and the nation more effectively, and to contribute meaningfully to the collective progress of our dear democracy. No politician will want to truncate his political ambition or his political destiny. I hold in high regard the friendship the collaborations and the experiences I shared with colleagues and leaders of the then People's Democratic Party. I remain profoundly grateful for the opportunities that party, when it was intact, afforded me over the years. I want to wish the fractured PDP success in their future endeavors. Because that means that the PDP is no longer one. So he's wishing the fractured APC success in their future endeavors. Please accept, my dear brothers, the assurances of my highest esteem and regards. This is actually signed, it is not Akpabio. This is signed by Senator Sunday Marshall Khartoum, Kaduna South Senatorial District,